Hi, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an HLS player with adaptive bitrate in Callaba. Just go to the Web Players section and click Add New. First, give your player a name. Perfect. Now, let's choose our source. You can use a local SRT or RTMP server as a source, or select from other available input options. Let me scroll through them so you can see. For example, you can get your video from an HLS URL provided by a client. To demonstrate, I'll use a test URL from Theo Player. Let's copy that URL and add it as our input. To enable adaptive bitrate, open Adaptive Bitrate Settings. Enter the original resolution of your video stream, in our case 720p. Just a reminder, adaptive bitrate only supports downscaling, so no upscaling here. Next, we'll set up transcoding to create multiple video versions with different bitrates. Open Video Settings and configure transcoding. Great, let's save the player. The video stream is live, and we can preview it to confirm that the adaptive bitrate is working. To share this player, click Info. You can share the web player URL directly with your viewers. The video will automatically adjust to their internet connection quality, and they'll also have the option to manually switch between resolutions. That's it, thanks for watching. Give Callaba a try for free today.